Hi, we are Ronald and Andrea and we are on a motorcycle trip around the world with Husqvarna 701. And in one of our videos we gave a short review on the Mitas EO7 Plus tires on gravel. Now we promised you that when we change the tire we give a final review. So we are not talking about the behavior on the street. On the street the Mitas EO7 Plus is an excellent tire, but on gravel roads we are not fully satisfied with the tire itself. So we are now changing the tires today after we had them on the bike now since 10,000 kilometers. If you look at the rear tire, maybe we can ride another 2,000 kilometers maximum with this tire. The front tires, as you can see, even have a much better shape. We can maybe ride them another 4,000 or 5,000 kilometers. But nevertheless, we are not fully happy with the tire riding on gravel roads. The front wheel starts to shiver, and we didn't have a safety feeling by riding the bike. Yeah? So we decided now today to change the tire. And we changed already the front tire yesterday because we have been on stock. It's a Motors Tractionator. We will see how it behaves as well, and we also give a review in future. And on the rear tire we are now driving to the dealer to replace the rear tire. It will be a Mitas tire again, because the Motors tires are not available on the rear wheel for our mountain bike here in Chile. See you at the dealer. So the dealer just finished to assemble the rear wheel. It's a Mitas EO9, and in front we have the Motors Tractionator. And we will give you a review, let's say after a couple of thousand kilometers, how the performance of this rear wheel and the front wheel is.